Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you top 7 interior design trends of 2023. 1. Biophilic Design. Biophilic design has become increasingly popular as people are seeking a connection with nature in their homes. This design trend incorporates natural elements like plants, water features, and natural materials into the design of a space. This creates a calming and restorative atmosphere that promotes well-being. 2. Warm color palettes. Warm and earthy colors such as terracotta, rust, ochre, and deep greens are becoming increasingly popular in 2023. These colors create a cozy and inviting atmosphere that is perfect for relaxing and unwinding. These colors can be incorporated into a space through wall paint, furniture, accessories, and decor. 3. Sustainable materials. With the rise of eco-consciousness, sustainable materials like bamboo, cork, and reclaimed wood are becoming increasingly popular in interior design. Not only are these materials eco-friendly, but they also add a unique and natural texture to a space. 4. Bold patterns. Bold patterns such as animal prints, geometric shapes, and floral designs are making a comeback in 2023. These patterns add a playful and dynamic element to a space and can be incorporated through wallpaper, textiles, and artwork. 5. Mixed metals. Mixing metals such as brass, copper, and gold is a popular trend in interior design for 2023. This creates an eclectic and sophisticated look that can be incorporated through lighting fixtures, hardware, and accessories. 6. Maximalism. Maximalism is about going big and bold with design elements. This trend involves incorporating bold colors, patterns, and textures into a space to create a vibrant and eclectic look. It's about creating a space that is full of energy and personality. 7. Statement lighting. Statement lighting fixtures are becoming popular in 2023. This includes large chandeliers, sculptural floor lamps, and bold pendant lights that make a statement and add a unique touch to a space. Statement lighting fixtures can be used to create a focal point in a room or to add a unique touch to a space. So there you have it, the latest interior design trends of 2023. I hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more interior design tips and trends. Thanks for watching.